Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step guide on how to create a new Apple ID using your laptop. First thing you need to do as a step one is to go to appleid.apple.com. That is the Apple ID creation page using your preferred browser, and once you're there, the next thing you're going to do is wait for the page to load. You see an option that says create your Apple ID at the top left right corner. So at the top right corner, when you see create your Apple ID, you click on the button to start the process. Next, you have to fill in your personal information like name, email address. Don't forget that your email address has to be valid because it will be used as your Apple ID username. Next, you create a strong password, at least 8 characters long, and you need to confirm the password by typing it again. Next, you select and answer 3 security questions. This will help you to recover your Apple ID if you forget your password or have trouble accessing your account. Of course, you're going to enter your date of birth. This is used to verify your appropriate age for using Apple services. Once you're through with that, you agree to the terms and conditions. You have to check the box that says that. Next, you have to verify your email address. After clicking on going to the terms and conditions, you click on continue. After clicking on continue, the next thing you're going to do is to verify your email address. So Apple will send a verification code to your email address. Open the email inbox and find the email from Apple. Copy the verification code from the email. Go back to the Apple ID creation page, and in the field labeled verification code, enter the code you've received in your email, and then click on continue. Now the next page, this is optional to add payment information. Apple will ask you for your payment details. Like I said, it's optional, so you can skip it if you don't want to add a payment method. But if you do, you can set add credit or debit card, or you can choose none. So if you want to add a payment method, enter your credit or debit card information, and you do not want it to select none. It's usually available for certain countries and regions. So if you've added your payment details, just click next to proceed, or if you've chosen none, just click next to proceed. Your Apple ID account is now created. You can now use this to sign into your Apple services like the App Store, iTunes, iCloud, and more. You can also decide to set up two-factor authentication. This is optional but recommended. So Apple will prompt you to set up to 2FA. You can either choose to set it up right away or skip this step and set up later in your account settings. Simple as that. So after completing the steps, you will have successfully created a new Apple ID. You can now sign into your Apple services and start using them. If you ever need to update your information, you can always go to the Apple ID website and make changes. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.